There is also an alternative to this process, which I'll show you now. But if you prefer the one we're currently using, feel free to stick with it. So now, in the configuration namespace, we should have all the configuration options, and not just this environment variable anymore. So I will delete these parentheses so that I can have the actual body of the function here now, instead of directly returning an object. Then I will define the config object, which will hold the configuration options, such as the URL and the other options, which I will soon add here too. But what should be the type of this object? If I go back here in the database module, if I look at the forRootAsync method, I can see that it has as parameter typerm module async options. So I need to use typerm module options. This async part will not be necessary. So I'll then put here as const satisfies typerm module options. And I use satisfies here instead of typing it directly like this, so that the namespace will have in its type only the fields I actually use here, instead of all of the fields present in this type. I will then put here the remaining options. Now I just have to return this object. And now, finally, the advantage of doing this is that if I return here in the database module, I can then delete all of this, and here just write database config dot as provider. And it will then work in the same way. I will then just commit the changes. Reducing boilerplate in dynamic module configuration. So with this, we have concluded the last general features and improvements of the system. Well, at least of the core module, of course. From now on, we can focus on implementing the remaining entities and their respective logics. So, let's finish this.